What's the best use of your time that leads to results for your business? You got to do the thing that you're great at that will lead to results. Hey,
What's
man.
up, Evan, man? How you doing, brother?
Good. I love the energy, man. This is great.
Yeah, appreciate. Got a traffic going on here. Gotta go to work. But man, I wanted to jump in and ask you, so what's the difference? Like, how should a person who's self-employed and run a business, what should they be doing? Wise. Like, what should a self-employed guy be looking for in his day rather than a business guy? If you know, when I say what I'm saying or no?
What's the highest use of your time? Like from what you can't do everything. You have to do everything at the start, but you're not good at everything. You don't love everything. What's the best use of your time that leads to results for your business?
You asking me? Oh,
yeah.
Yeah,
I'm asking you, dude.
Prospecting.
Great. And how much of your time are you spending every week prospecting?
Every day I spend 2 hours, at least 2 hours prospecting. Yeah.
So it's figuring out how to turn that into 4.
Okay. I like that. Yeah. It's more what is it? About the numbers, but it's about contacts. I guess contacts. Yeah.
Well, different people will win with different things.
Yeah.
Right? Like for me, prospecting would be the worst. I excel more with marketing. I need to be making more videos. I need to be getting my name out there more through content. That's how I win. It doesn't mean that that's how you're going to win. If prospecting is the best use of your time, your goal is you got to build up your business enough that then you can build a team. And everything you don't like to do, you got people underneath you. But how do you build a team? You got to do the thing that you're great at that will lead to results. And try limiting how much you're doing of all the other stuff.
I agree. Because the problem that was happening is that, like, hey, so another thing that I think that this might relate to your audience or you, is just like when you start the business and you start going well, you forget that you see kind of like self-employed where you don't have other people working for you, and you start just handling the business side and forget about like how to bring business in. So that's what was kind of like was happening for me, and business started going down where I almost like lost everything. So I just kind of remembering that I gotta work now so that I can hire people to take care of those stuff that I shouldn't be doing.
Yeah, and how do you get there? By more prospecting.
I agree, man. I agree. Just wanted to jump in here and ask you that quick question, man. Thank you for the advice and the vibe and everything, man. It was nice seeing you in Dallas here, by the way.
I love it, dude. I love it. Thank you for.
Are you coming soon? Are you coming back soon in Dallas?
I'll be in Dallas in 2020, not January, February, I think, for my new book. I'll be there. Okay. Lots in Texas. We're doing Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, and Houston.
Oh, that's big. That's kind of like a tour. Are you doing a tour?
I'm doing a tour. And listen, when I see you in January, I want you to say, Evan, I've been doing 4 hours of prospecting every day, and my business blew up, and now I've got 3 people working for me.
Okay. I didn't hear that, but I will go back and review it out because they keep breaking up. But I will let you go and
it's your side. You're the one breaking up. But yes. I appreciate you. Take care.
If you have a podcast or interview show and want me to be a guest on it, I have 2 options for you. There's a link right there next to me. Go click it, and I look forward to being a guest on your show.